Hello everyone, I am Sandhi Nanda and today I will teach you GK of class 8. Before holidays we have already completed up to chapter number 15. So today we will start from chapter number 16. I hope you have learned that chapters well at your home in summer holidays. So now start learning from chapter number 16. In this chapter uh, some special cine quiz is given, some awards which is won by the cine personalities that are given, so you have to take on that on the correct answer. First question: who was the first film star to be awarded a Padma Shri in Hindi film cinema? The answer is Nargis. You can see the answer. The first answer is B. Nargis. B. Nargis. Second, second C. Smita Patil. The question is, who is the first Indian actress to have been honored with a retrospective of her film in Paris? So the answer is Smita Patil. Then the third, the word for appearing in films without his cap. The film star which appears in film without cap and have no hair. Sean Connery. The answer is D. Sean Connery. Sean Connery. Then the next, which internationally acclaimed Indian painter, graphic artist, sculptor, muralist, architect and interior designer has a documentary, A Brush with Life, made on him? Answer is A. M.F. Hussain. M.F. Hussain. Then fifth, who is regarded as the father of Indian cinema? The answer is Dada Sahab Phalke. Dada Sahab Phalke. This is the fifth answer. Then the sixth, was 3D film made in India? The Kutti Chanthan. D. My dear Kutti Chanthan, the question number 6. Then the seventh is, which screen name did Mehjabeen Ali Baksh choose since her real name was not glamorous? So the name is Meena Kumari. Actually the actual name of Meena Kumari is Mehjabeen Ali Baksh. So the correct answer is Meena Kumari. Then the next chapter is awareness quiz. It is on page number 29 and you have to take or write somewhere you have to write the answer and somewhere you have to take the correct answer. So first is, which of the following metals was first used by human beings for making tools? Answer is copper. It means copper is the primitive material. First of all, it is used by for making the tools. Then second, name the author of the Shiva trilogy. The name is Amish Tripathi. Correct name is author of the Shiva trilogy, and this question is important. Then the third is, which of the following countries has never been under foreign rule? So the correct answer is Nepal. It never been in the foreign rule. Then the fourth, from which lake in Tibet does river Brahmaputra originate? So the answer is Lake Mansarovar. Fourth answer is Lake Mansarovar. Fifth answer is loss of memory. What is amnesia? Some people are having some disease in which they lost their memories, like you can see in the movie Gajni. He is having the problem of loss of memory, so this disease is called amnesia. Remember this is also very important, amnesia. Then the sixth, in which city would you find the famed Bridge of Sighs? Answer is Venice. The answer is Venice, and this is the sixth answer. Then the seventh, which Roman emperor shifted his capital from Rome to Byzantium? The answer is Constantine. First, Rome is the capital, he shifted it to the Byzantium, and the name of this ruler or this king is Constantine. Then the next is 8. Question number 8. Which famous king storm did Howard Carter discover in 1922? 1922, Howard Carter discovered a famous king storm. The name of this king is King Tutankhamun. King Tutankhamun. Then the question number 9. Who among the following Indians is not a Nobel Prize winner? Is not a Nobel Prize winner. So the answer is C. Mahatma Gandhi. 10th answer is cycling. And the study of coins is called numismatics. Numismatics. Answer number 11 is numismatics. And the answer number 12 is Gautam Buddha. Answer number 12 is Gautam Buddha. Answer number 13 is methane. Answer number 13 is methane. Answer number 14 is green. What is the color of bin for biodegradable waste? Green. And the last is washing soda. What is the common name for sodium carbonate? You know, you have already studied this in chemistry. What is the common name for sodium carbonate? The name is washing soda. So I think you have completed this work. If you have not completed, or if you are having any problem, then you can ask to me by writing this into the comment section. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.